Recap for you today. It's Tuesday, December 30th, end of the year. So let's get right into it. You can see we got the replay on, but let's just go to the 1 hour real quick. So on the 1 hour, we have price kind of coming back down into this sort of consolidation area, still with a sort of upwards trend, but consolidating right here. Coming into market open, we can see that on the 5 and 15 minute, kind of just chopping around in this range. We have some liquidity down here, Asia low, and then we put in a lower low, sweeping out some liquidity around market open at 6:15 a.m. So going back on the replay, right here, right around 6:30. So 6:30, we came down and we're targeting Asia low. So Asia low right around here. And I believe we sweep it real quick. Okay, hang on. Yeah, that's basically a sweep because there's right here. It's basically a sweep of Asia low. And then we have this 15-minute gap right here. And there's a 5-minute gap up here that we sort of filled, not really, but there's draws above. So what I'm looking for is obviously a sweep of Asia low. These lows over here, if price wants to continue being bearish, but a sweep of Asia low to then target higher. And so if we continue playing this replay, I'm just trying not to give too much of it away. Okay, there we go. Sweep of Asia low to then reverse back up, maybe. Boom. Okay, right there. So sweep of Asia low at market open. We created this gap right around 5:30. Market opens, we sweep, and we break above. So we have this 15-minute gap right here that I entered in longs. So I entered in longs on a 5-minute, and it looked like this. Targeted draws right here, and I targeted the 5-minute gap, and I had a target up here and right here. So those were sort of the targets. So right around 35 points. Stop was at 30 points, I believe, something like that. So it's kind of like a 1-to-1, something like that. And yeah, we can see that it played out pretty good. And then price just sort of immediately smashed it. Took out this highest draw right here, and then reversed. There was a second trade after this, which was this one right here. There's a gap right here. Boom. There's this gap in the market targeting these draws down here, these draws down here, and these right here. So what I waited for right here was to target shorts off the break of here, targeting this and this, with again stops around 30-ish points. So right around there. Again, I'm on the 5-minute because this is a 5-minute gap. Boom, I'm in, targeting again these draws below. Price kind of chops around right here for a quick second. And then now we're at right now. I did enter here And then I got out right here because it was good enough for me. I moved my stop down to break even, and then I got out right here, boom, for 27 points. But those were the two trades I took. And just slowly trying to grow my accounts back. They were pretty red. I think they were all down 1,000. So if I can just slowly grow them back, that would be fantastic. On the higher time frame, on the 1 and the 4 hour, you can see that there's still draws down here that price would more than likely need to take out. We were sitting inside that 4-hour gap. Not that. Where is it? Well, there's this 1 hour right here that we have been rejecting off of. Even this morning, we rejected off that 1 hour gap. Bearish rejection off of a 4-hour gap up here. Boom, rejection down. We're going up, rejection down. So I believe we're going to end up taking out these draws down here. I would like to see us hold this up, so it would look like come down and then hold them up. Because if we start to go down from here, we have this huge move down right here to target these lows right here. But overall, decent morning. Don't know if I'll be trading tomorrow. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, and then going into New Year's on Thursday. And then, of course, Friday might be a little bit choppy. So we'll see. I'll be on, but that's overall the market trade recap for today. And if you have any questions, let me know. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh.